What's new in PLA? In this video we present 3 areas where PLA has seen major innovations and improvements. In conjunction with our PLA 3.0.5 release, we introduce a new exciting add-on. The Dose Response Analysis package offers various biostatistical methods for immunoassays, ELISA, and more. Equivalence testing and equivalence margin development for calibration curves. Enhanced response data processing. Subgroup analysis. And new reports and document dashboards. The PLA platform itself now has a new add-on management which keeps you always up to date and provides an easy way to access software extensions. And customers who already work with PLA will notice numerous improvements that enhance usability and performance. Please visit bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0.5 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.